Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. जी हाँ, अब तक आप 60 वर्ड्स की pronunciation सीख चुके हैं और आज ये पार्ट 7 है जिसमें न्यू 10 वर्ड्स की pronunciation आप सीखेंगे. First we recapitulate the last 10 words. Missile, yogurt, wool, vowel, preposition, honor, vase, ache, vegetable, antonym. Let's get started our lesson. Number 1. Synonym. Say this word, synonym. Yes, this Y gives the sound of E and this Y also gives the sound of E. Synonym. Synonym. Say this word, synonym. Number 2. Secretary. Yes, secretary. We don't pronounce this A. It should be silent. Secretary. Say this word, secretary. Number 3. Spinach. This A gives the sound of E. Spinach. Say this word, spinach. Number 4. Tricycle. Yes, like bicycle. Don't say tricycle. This Y gives the sound of E. Tricycle. Number 5. Tomato. Yes, this A gives the long sound ma. Tomato. Don't say tomato. It's wrong. Tomato. Number 6. Tongue. This N is silent. Tongue. Say this word, tongue. Number 7. Western. Don't say western. Western Union. आपने अक्सर सुना होगा Western Union. लोग कहते हैं बैंक का नाम है. You say western. This R is silent. Western. Number 8. Vehicle. Yes, vehicle. This E gives the long sound. E. Vehicle. We don't pronounce H. Okay. We should not say vehicle, vehicle. All they are wrong. Okay. Vehicle. Say this word, vehicle. Number 9. Yolk. Yolk. This L is silent. Yolk. Say this word, yolk. The last one, number 10. Sample. Yes, it's not sample. Sample गलत pronunciation है. Sample. Say this word, sample. Thanks for watching this video. Next video में 10 new words की pronunciation सीखेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Subscribe the channel, the Learners Club. Assalamu alaikum.